Avoiding repetition in writing. Here's the problem. In English writing, it's not a good idea to repeat words, especially in the same sentences and paragraphs. For example, I love Chinese food, so I eat Chinese food every day. Notice how the phrase Chinese food is repeated here. That's a little too much. Here are some solutions. Number 1, delete. Don't repeat. 2, use a pronoun. 3, use a synonym or related word. 4, use a category word. 5, rephrase the sentence. Let's look at these in more detail. Number 1, delete, don't repeat. For example, please write your first name and last name. Notice how the word name is repeated here. That's not necessary. You can write instead, please write your first and last name. Number 2, use a pronoun. For example, I play tennis on weekends. Tennis is my favorite sport. We don't have to repeat the word tennis here. We can use a pronoun. For example, I play tennis on weekends. It is my favorite sport. It refers to tennis. Number 3, use a synonym or related words. For example, let's meet at noon. I'll be free at noon. You don't have to repeat that. We can say simply, let's meet at noon. I'll be free then, or I'll be free at that time. Number 4, use a category word. For example, because English is widely spoken, we use English in business. Notice the word English is repeated here. What is the category for English? That would be language. So we use the language. Example, because English is widely spoken, we use the language in business. Number 5, rephrase the sentence. For example, don't be late. Lateness is not acceptable. That doesn't sound good. We could change that to something like this. Please be on time. Tardiness is unacceptable. Or we could change the order of things here and say, tardiness is unacceptable, so please be on time. Sometimes you can repeat words and phrases. When can you repeat in writing? First, to avoid confusion or ambiguity. Second, to emphasize something. And third, when there are no other words. First, to avoid confusion. For example, Pam's brothers are Matt and Dan. He likes soccer. Who's he? Matt or Dan? We don't really know. So you need to repeat one of the names. Pam's brothers are Matt and Dan. Dan likes soccer. Second, to emphasize. For example, cancer screening is crucial. It can save lives. That's okay, but sometimes you want to emphasize the topic. For example, cancer screening is crucial. Cancer screening can save lives. Third, when there are no other words. For example, my major is nuclear physics. The major deals with. There are very few words or phrases that mean the same thing as major or nuclear physics. So sometimes you can just repeat one of those words or phrases. Example, my major is nuclear physics. Nuclear physics deals with. Hope that was helpful. For more videos like these, please check out our channels on YouTube, youtube.com @EnglishFree4You. In China, on Humix, ESLgold.com/HUMIX. Be sure to click on the playlist for more related words. Or check out our websites, ESLgold.com, freeenglishstudy.com, videosforenglish.com, or Siri.net. Siri stands for Say It Right in English. Thanks for watching.